Okay. Vishakha.
Yes. Only wall is remaining in my frame.
Show in, show in 3D. Okay, great.
But here I have joined it by like this. Let me show you. Here I have doubt one joining beam in tapered part
Okay.
because I merged both beam in there. But first,
Yeah, look,
hmm?
when you
Yes.
are taking a same length beam, then you can give height. Okay.
Yeah, I have taken that, but
Ex- ex-
they are not joining each other like this. They were splitting at top. Can you show this part again?
Oh
Because
yes, ma'am. I'm just
yesterday's video not there in website.
okay
Yeah,
because
yesterday's video is not recorded.
no, the Saturday video is recorded, but it is not uploaded yet.
Okay.
Okay, this video. See, I show you. Mm. Now Ramesh, yeah, Ramesh is not there yesterday, now. Niranjan,
His message came on this time. I did not download Revit yet. I will complete on Sunday definitely.
who? Niranjan.
Yes.
Niranjan, why you are learning? If you didn't have time to download it yet, the lower version you can download 13, 14. That can work. Okay. See, it by choice. You have to learn or you have to practice on Revit or not. That is only excuses. My laptop configuration is low and all. Okay, now Ramesh,
Uh, I can show by Sunday because yesterday I didn't attend the class. I not catch up what you.
yesterday you are not there, but some portion you understand, no? We have to create how to place it only.
Yes, but right now I am using my mobile to connecting, so to say I have not do anything.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I show you the team part first.
Mm.
Is visible now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm saying open this one now. I'm opening the previous file. Now you want to see this portion. This is actually added. Huh?
Yes.
You can see in the top first. Going to level 4. And here it is. You can see in the wireframe first. It is visible now properly.
Yes.
Now let's check it. We need to do one thing. We need to create 2 beams. I'm taking here. Going to structure, taking 2 beams. Concrete one. First is like from here to here. Second, again from this corner to other side. Okay, there are 2 beams now. Just join together. Then you can get the height only.
Okay. I
Give
have
offset
drawn
values.
single beam and give height in other side and then mirror that beam. That's why it make like that.
That is, yes.
Okay.
Now here I'm giving 2500, and similarly this side also 2500. It will be added.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay, got it.
they are joining now.
Thank you.
Any other doubt?
No.
Anyone? No doubt? Okay. Now see, next portion we are going to create. See, here we have different options. Now wall sweep is there also. If I'm talking about wall sweep, what is that? See, like this. You want to create some portion, portion on the wall here, the design. So you can go through with the wall sweep. Here we can use the edge as a path, and we can create one more portion on that. Now I'm going to use wall sweep. See, on this wall you can place it. That is concrete one. Okay, you can see here you can place. This place. See, now you want some design. Restart your wall sweep. You can use it. Multiple you can draw. Okay. So on edge, on the side you want to place it, you can easily place. That are the options only. Then we have some options. One is reveal the extruded. This is a cut in the wall. See, in the image here, the portion you want to cut it into a 3D wall. You can use this cut. See, it is there. It is inside the. You can change the color. You can see properly. See, now visible the cut.
Yes.
That is the reveal. But just suppose you want to cut, you want to give some opening here, then what to do? You just select your wall, and here we have 2 options to give the opening. First, add opening in the wall, or second is you can add it into the wall. See, like this. I told you in the floor yesterday, na? You can create one shape under another closed shape will be getting hollow. Yes, in the same way. But we are creating wall from the top always. So we can't edit direct uh, side view. That's why we have another option, select your wall and then go to edit profile. Then you can see this profile from the side view. Now you can create one opening. Let's create a shape with any type of shape you can create from here and then click on done. We get the opening. Okay. This is rectangular opening. Now you want some circular opening here. Again the same. edit profile and go for, suppose elliptical shape is there. We can create one elliptical shape and then click on OK. We get elliptical opening there. Easy. But this portion we can do directly when we are creating the floors, because we have to create from top. At the same time, we can create the opening also. Okay. But in the wall portion, we have to add it into the profile. Is that okay? Wall sweep, wall edit. Now, just suppose you want only rectangular profile opening. Then we have another option. Select your wall. You can select here. We have no, wall opening is not there. Select the wall only. It's hidden now. But it's not possible. I'm going to control that. 1 second. That option is also there. Now select your wall. It is not here, so that we can go for a structural. Here we have opening wall. Now when I am working with this now, then I'll show you. In the edit, it is not available now. So edit profile, you can understand. What about attach and top base? I show you in the column. So similar, here we have into here also. Now suppose I want to fill this area. When we are going to create wall, we can create a straight wall only, that is rectangular in shape. So how we can give this shape? So we can give through edit profile. Okay, if you want to fill attach, you can attach with this. Okay, now I'll show you. I'm going to create for this side one wall. So I'm going to plinth level. Plinth level is our level 3. Okay, so here we have a wall. Now here we need to create one wall. Go to wall, and it's not depth, it is height. It's unconnected right now, and we can create through this point to this point. Just suppose I'm creating one wall, and you can see now CD. It is here, but we have to fill that area. If I'm seeing from left, I want to fill that area. How we can fill it? So we have one option, going to attach top base, and then select your beam. See, we are able to do or not? Let me check. See, we can't able to do. Up to this beam, we can't attach into top base because it is already attached at one side. That's why this option is not working for this beam. Okay. If it is at top, now it is not attached anywhere, then it is going to be added with this beam. Otherwise, it's not. Now, second option, we need to go to added profile only. So how we can use that? Select your wall, go to added profile, and then we have to change this shape. I need to delete this edge, and then we need to close shape. We need to create. See, from here to here, then till here, then here. Now this closed shape, make sure the shape will be closed. Only then it is working, otherwise it's not working. Is that okay? Now I hope the portion will be clear. Edit profile, where we can use it. Tell me, any doubt, any problem? Any problem? No? Similar way you can create in this shape. You have to create your shape like that. You have to fill this area also with the ball. So you can create and fill it for visibility purpose. Okay. Otherwise the column is sufficient to give here. You have to create only that heart shape. Okay. So by using edit profile, we can do that all things. Now, Next, what we have here, different type of floor and slab edges. If you have foundation slab and you want to create some edges on that slab, now I'll show you that at separate. I'm going to level 1 and I'm going to use here suppose. I'm going to create one slab. See floor slab edges here. Also same thing is there. We have here one slab. This foundation slab. I need to give some edges to the side, some more thickness. We have one option that is known as slab edges. Okay, on this side we need to add. Or all sides you can add. Otherwise just cancel. And now you can see into 3D. The shape is like this. Okay. Is that clear? So slab edges you want to place, you can easily place it at the edges. Similar here, floor slab edges you can add. This is can't work here because this architectural one. It is similar like structural, but we are not going to use it because in this we are not able to use reinforcement. That is architectural one. Similar way, if you are placing column normal, we can't place the what we can reinforcement into this. Okay, that's why we have all separate portion available here. Clear? Any doubt? Everything we can create now. Now next is we have trusses. So we have multiple type of trusses. Tell me some names of trusses. Anyone who know about the trusses? Tell me some names. Hello? Anyone? Don't Google.
No.
Okay. If you remember, you can tell me.
King post, queen post.
Any name. I'm not going to use also Google. Tell me any name, any trust name.
Steel truss.
Sorry?
Steel truss, no?
Steel
Steel.
truss. But which type of shape is this?
Which one?
Which type of shape is this?
We can use hollow section, rectangular, I-beam.
Mm,
He is asking about type of structure, type of truss.
trusses pipe. I'm
This
asking.
is girder type, no?
See,
In screen.
now see the trusses type is now I'm giving you some hints, some names like hot truss we have parrot truss. Okay, different trusses here. I show you that. 1 second. If you are going to create it now, so you can take more time here. Now I'll show you that trusses. Images I show you. See a different type of shapes. You can see. Now I'm going for trusses types. So multiple types are there. You can see with the name here. The small, it's not visible, na? Visible? In bigger, no, here it is visible, na? See, low pitch, flat, parrot truss, studio wall, scissors, king,
Yeah.
double W wing, Vault, system 42, monopitch, multi-panel, shaded, method, queen, hot truss, fan, attic, multiple are there. See, so that can be, you can create into a Revit structure. It's easy. Like I show you one type of simple truss now. You can create these all type of trusses. Now there is no need to create all type of trusses. Some types we need to create. Otherwise, maximum we have here. Now I'm going to truss here. See, the half flat truss will be added directly. Is available here. Only this one is visible. But we have that all the things into load family. Go to load family, and now we can go to our trusses. Go back, then go for structural trusses. See how many are there? Pink, half flat truss. This is how gable truss, 6 panel, 8 panel, 10 panel, 12 panel, parrot flat truss, parrot gabbled. This is also 6, 8, 10, 12. Then W. Then we have cambered. See, these are available directly. You can create. Now I'll show you first pink truss, or we can go with flat truss. So this is available directly. But we need to use here, what is the truss height here? By default is 300, so 3048. How much is this? 3003 meters only. So 3 meters is too less for the trusses. We need to create more length, more height, so that it will be proper visible. So I'm going to any level, suppose, and I'm going to create one truss here. So I'm going to create a truss and create by a line. I'm taking here, suppose, 70 meters. Okay, it will create directly. It's very easy to create. See, it's created. Now I can see in 3D. This one. Visible? This is flat hot truss. What are the property there? You want to change its height. The height is too less. That's just 3 meter only. You want to increase it. You can increase as you are. Just select your portion, and then you can increase its height. Suppose I'm giving 5 meters. Okay. You want to give some more gap between them. Total span is 70 meter here. Okay, so we can increase or decrease. Here we have 24 panels. Maximum width is 1500. So we can increase or decrease this width so that the panels are less or more. Suppose I'm giving here 2000. So that number is less. 19 are there now. See? Okay. So like this, we can add it into this. If you have added the thickness of it and something, so go to added type of it. Go to added type. There are the properties of it. If you are talking about top chord, this one, upper layer. Vertical webs, these are vertical webs. Taper web, diagonal webs, taper one. Bottom chord, that is bottom one. If you want to change the styling of it, you want to change the angle of it. So here we have all options. We can edit. Edit type property is very important in Revit. Okay. Anything you have created, you can edit into that. Easy. So all types, try to create all type of trusses and try to add it into them also. But make sure do not add it directly. Keep duplicate first, then edit it. Okay. Clear? If you are editing directly, so it will be changed forever in this family. So try to create duplicate first, then go for change, any change. I'm going to edit again, 3048. what is before and apply. And what is I'm changing it? It's width 1500. Do not change directly. If you want to change it, you can go with first duplicate, then change everything and create one different segment. Is that okay? Any problem?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Then we have braces. So we can see braces is basically type of beam. It is also the framing. If you are creating this type of things now, you can use braces, but directly in the load family it is not available. It is only shapes. See the UV beam, universal beam is there, and HSS structure is also there. You can use them and create your own type of braces. Otherwise, if we are going for load family, I think in load family there is no braces. See the structural design is there. Braces is not there. See, only steel framing is there. So braces also is a part of beams. So you can use structural framing instead of this. So all are same there. So similar design. This look like a different shape, but it is not the part of this family. That is not going to be open in this. Okay. Solar panel. That's why shape. Top of mat. That is sustainable design. So we can use as a component. In braces, we can't open them. It shows it is not the correct family. Like Varsha or Vishasa shows me, na? No, Nishi shows me that family is not open, column is not open. Because if you are not using correct library, it's giving you the error. You are using incorrect category. Okay. In the column, we need to use structural column besides of that simple column. Simple column is a part of architectural. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Now, next, what we have, beam system. What is beam system? It's a combination of beams, multiple beams. Suppose you need to create multiple beams here. Suppose I'm not going to create directly. I'm tell you here we need to create suppose multiple beams. So go with beam system. Here we have. If you want to sketch your own, go with this. Otherwise, we are going with automatic first. So see what is the in automatic system. Check the properties first. The structural beam system framing system is there. See, the fixed distance is there, 1828.8 between the two members, and it is placed justification by center. Okay, the beam type is concrete rectangular, and we are going to create it. See here, in middle of this, you can create like this. In middle of this, you can create like this. I'm creating here, suppose this one. Or you want to take like in this, you can go with like this also. This is the beam system. Center certain they are going to merge. Okay, you can see the type of this is 450 by 450 mm justification through center. This is analytical model basically, and then fixed distance is this one. You can change it. So you can go with the number, you can go with the clear spacing, you will go with the maximum spacing. This is choice which portion you want to take. Fixed distance means you need to give distance here. Clear spacing means what is the clear spacing? Fixed number if you
Fixed
have
distance.
number. Yeah. Now you have resistance. Sorry, the number you have, so 6 are created. If you have to know, I need 8. So you can see here it is 8 now. Okay. That is a type of beam system. vertical or horizontal is depend on which edges you are selecting. Or if you want to create your own type, or see some other properties are there or not. Let's check. See the separate beam is this. You can change, you can give any angle, change the justification, you can do anytime. It is not a group. When we are creating it, only then it is a group, otherwise it's a simple single beam. Okay, now suppose you want to create your own type, then so you can create in the beam system. Here we have option create sketch beam system. So here you are going to sketch by line. How many you required and how much distance you require. Now first, second at this distance. Third you want at less distance. So like this you can create. Done. Oh, sorry, line must be closed loop. Highlighted lines are open at, oh, 1 second. Delete them. Sorry, we need to create, see, it is taken from edges to edges. Okay, so which portion you want to fill, you need to create that sketch. Suppose you need to create beam system in between these rectangle or square. Okay, and tagging is on so that it is tag also. So the text is also there. If tag is on, if tag is off, it is look like this. Is it clear? The shape you need to create, in which shape you want to fill your beam system. Now I show you if that's a different sketch. Now I'm taking the polygon sketch. Here we have polygon 6. If you're done, it look like cell like this. Okay. So it depends on the shape. So you can create your own shape also. Otherwise, when you are taking it this size, it will take in this size or the last portion where it is taking total distance. And between them, it is created number of beams. If it is 6 to 6, a clear spacing, it is there now 150 mm, 150 mm, it is taking 150 mm. It is taking 1828. 1828 means from here to here. Okay.
I have one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Can we add steel beam also in concrete and steel beam mixed structure in this?
In
Means,
this mix,
yes, yes.
mix means some of steel or some of concrete.
No, no. Here you have added beam part, no, in between. That portion, can we add steel beam also? Here showing concrete beam, no?
In the beam system,
Yes, yes.
here we have structural framing system and the beam type is concrete here. You can choose here HSS, UB is your choice. Now I need to create, suppose here, it is a steel beam now. You can see in 3D. Here it is the steel beam. 1 second. They are steel. See? Okay. This is a steel beam. So we have to change inside the properties. Which type of beam you want to add into beam system. Okay. Any other doubts? Please ask.
Doubt.
Tell me any doubt? No doubt? Okay. Now next, the foundation we already did. Now we have some openings. This one. So before this, we need to learn roof also. Okay. So first we are going with roof. Suppose we need to create one roof on this. Where in the architectural we have option roof. In roof, we have two options: roof by footprint and roof by extrusion. This is about roof that are supporting portion, the soffit, fascia, and gutter. Okay. Now we have to learn with these two: roof by footprint and roof by extrusion. Now I show you the roof first. First, roof by footprint. See, it is not properly visible here because it is a structural part. Okay, so I'm going to open a new page, and then I show you the roof, both type of roofs. Will default I'm taking. This is not a structural portion. I'm taking architectural or decimal, default one. Now I show you the roof first. So before roof, I'm going to create one simple structure. Suppose this is a structure here. This is wall, but it is 20 feet height. I'm taking up to second level because I need to create the roof on second level. Okay, now go to second level and I'm creating the roof here. So roof by footprint first. If you are creating from top, that means you have to use footprint. If you want overhanging, you can take the value here. Okay. Otherwise, simple, go with the rectangle. And just suppose I want to create like this and click on OK. Now see, roof is ready. Now which type of roof is this? You can see. And now I'll show you in 3D first. It is like this. Okay, with sloped, 4 side slopes. Now you want, no, I don't want slope. Then select this, go to added footprint and uncheck the slope from all sides. Select your edge, uncheck the define slope. This edge, uncheck the define slope. This edge, uncheck the define slope. This edge, check the define slope. Now it is flat. Okay, but side you want, no sir, I want two side heart shape. Then select it again, go to added footprint and you can create heart shape. So I need two side slope, this side slope and this side slope. Check it back, click on done. Now see, it is like this. Now here we have attached top base option for the wall. Select your wall, attach top base with the roof. It is going to be attached. See? Okay. Now you want one here pitch roof. So that in case what we can do, we can give the slope here. How we can do that? I can show you this footprint and going to top view, split our roof from where you want to give the slope, pitch slope. Then you can use slope arrow, create from this side to this, and again from this side to this side, till here, and click on done. Oops, sorry. I'm taking from full slope now. Remove it. We need to give in middle somewhere. So take a slope from there only. Suppose from this mid to this, and again slope from this mid to this. Click on that. I can see in 3D. Oops, sorry to be deleted. Using Control Z. Now we need to split it from here also and here also. I forgot it. From where you are taking the slope, now split it here also, so that we get the slope from this side. So it is not taken. Give the slope from both ends. Uncheck this slope. Uncheck this slope. So arrow will be this side. Now it is okay. It is not proper, I think, created. Now it is properly created. See, if you want this type of portion, you need to delete that slope, so that we are giving slope from arrow. Okay. This is the type of roof. Is that clear? All type of roof from footprint is clear.
Yes.
One
But
is
it's
flat.
only architectural purpose, no? It is
This
not for. Can we show
structure.
in this room? Means in this roof steel reinforcement also.
You can go to here, select your roof. No, the rebar option is not there. Yes, if we are going to use, and I'm going to second project, first project I'm going to use. If we are creating roof here, then we can check. I'm going to use in a second level. Suppose simple roof I'm creating here. Okay, so it is not visible here, na? You can see it is not visible in the analytical model. We can't do.
Then how we can give here?
Sorry.
Means how we can create here sloping roof then? If we want here reinforcement sloping
Flat.
roof.
Have
Yes,
to
flat
use.
roof
You
with
have to use
slope.
slab with slope. Yes. Okay. Because direct roof option is available only in architecture. That is I show you how to create it in the second project. Project 2 here. Okay. Or 1 second, let me check here if you have. The reinforced portion is not available in this. This is not the structural roof, na? The structural roof is not available. Generic roof will be there only. And load family is also not there. Okay. This is a type of roofs we can create. Now I'm talking about the opening. That's why I'm telling you roof. Okay. Now, if you want to create a roof from front, so here we have option roof by extrusion. So this is created by front. For that, you need to use in any elevation. Okay. Go to any elevation. Suppose I'm going to use same north elevation here. I want to create some roof here. So roof by extrusion we have. And we need to select on which side of plane we are going to use. We can select none is there. We can use pick a plane option because we didn't have any plane right now. So we had to select by face. So wall we have available now. We are going to take a pick a plane option and click on OK. Then we can select this face, the front face. Now we are in this face. Take any level, that doesn't matter here because we are creating roof and any kind of roof you can say. Now I suppose I want to create a roof just like this, the tapered one. So we can't create in this. We can give a single side. Okay, if we have double side, so here first we can say like this, second we can create there. And then see it is extruded and you can see in 3D. Simple line and it is extruded. Okay, till here. Anytime you can shrink, anytime you can change its slope. Okay. What is at this height now? And it's okay, so that is twice. Yeah, how much slope will be there? You can change into your properties also. How much slope will be there? See here. Slope. You can type it. Okay. There is different type of roof. Now we are going to create a openings here now. So opening by face. So you can use here wall, you can use here column, you can use here roof. I'll tell you in roof or column or wall, you can use anything by face. You need to select any face here. You can I'm selecting this face. And then we can create any shape, close shape, so that we can get the opening here. See, that is opening. You can use any wall, like wall in the edit profile we are creating now. In the same way, we are creating wall opening. That is only rectangular in shape. You need to select after this. You need to select your face, and only rectangle you can create here. Nothing else. Okay. That's why they are using edit profile into wall. We are generally not using wall opening. Okay. They are going to then select. Whenever it is used, see in the example. When we have curved shape, only then we can use it, so that we get the hole in this, like this. See the curved cut. Okay. Then we can use it. Vertical cut is little bit different, like from this cut. See, it is perpendicular to the face. You can see it is perpendicular to the face. Now this cut, you can see this edge. It is perpendicular to this face. Now, if you have straight cut, vertical cut, go with this. Select your object, and then from top you can create a rectangle. See, it is vertical. This cut is vertical. See. Now the rectangle is in middle right now. I can shift it first. Can shift it this side. Then you can better understand this cut. See, it is now vertical cut. You can see the edges difference. It is vertical It is perpendicular. So that 4 types of openings will be there. What is dormer? Any idea what is dormer? Because I'll tell you this openings because that is available into structural. Dormer is also there. But the dormer is a cutting shape. Now tell me, what is dormer? Dormer is a type of window. Okay, if you are seeing here, I show you. Dormer. Dormer window. For dormer window, we need to cut the roof. That is dormer opening. This is dormer window. See, hilly area, you can see that windows. Now, for this, we need to cut the roof now in the same shape. That is dormer opening. So first we need to understand how to create this roof so that we can cut for that window. Okay. Now, I'm going to our Revit. I'm using Control Z here for some time. Now, here it is. Suppose I need to create one dormer window here. Then we are going to cut it. See, this is a type of dormer, but it is a pitch roof. Okay, it's not dormer. I need to create dormer window and cut off this. For that, we need to create a dormer window. Let's see. Note the steps of that. First, we need to create some levels from where we are going to create our wall. So I'm going to use north view. Here I need to create dormer window. What is the total height you want to take and from where you want to create the walls. So I'm creating the walls from here and roof I need to create at this level. Okay. That is too small. Need to increase its length. 12 feet suppose here. Now somewhere here we need to create that window in between this roof and this level. I'm going to level 2 first and see this visibility is not proper. So what we can do, we are going to view range here and I want to see the top of it. It's not visible because at the top nothing is there. It is a cut plane. I want to change the cut plane height. Is at 4 feet from the level 2. So I need to change it by 6 feet so that we can see it. Little bit changes there, na? 10 feet. Okay. Now it is okay. We are going to create here some wall. Like I need it here. This is our dormer window position. And this height of these 3 walls is up to what is filter. Only walls are there now. But it is okay. Now it is up to level 3. Apply. Now you can see in 3D first. It is okay. Now we need to create on level 3 the roof. At level 3 that walls are not visible. I'm going to use wireframe to see that wall is not visible here also. Change into range. At the bottom we need to select all things. See it is visible now. Then we are going to use our architect. I'm taking a structural wall. What is oh, okay? This is normal wall. I'm using here roof by footprint. Create a rectangular shape here like this, and I want to change. I want to give the slope on this side. So this side slope I want to remove. This side I want to remove, and then done. Now this ready. I want to see it is height is more, na? So we can reduce it height, but I want to join them also. More. Okay. Now we need to what do? We need to select these all three walls first and join with the upper roof. Attach. Take a top with top roof. Okay. Now see it attached. Now we need to attach these two roofs. So third option is we have to join these two roofs. So in the modify we have option join roof. First, you need to select the edge of the roof which you want to extend, and then till which face. You have to select that face. It is extended now. Edit. Now dormer window is ready. But you can see one problem is there that three walls are additional here in the bottom. Now we need to attach with the bottom roof. Yes. Again, select all three walls and attach with. Now this time you need to use base, and base is attached with bottom roof. See, it is okay. The walls are not there. Now we need to cut that shape so that dormer will be working. Na? I need this shape cut on this roof. So that we have the option dormer. So go to dormer, and then first of all you need to select in which roof you want to cut. Select that roof. Second, you have to select your second roof. That edges will be added, see, on the face. Then we need to select inside faces of the wall. For that we need to use wireframe so that we can select inside faces. Okay. Now trim to create a closed loop. Take a trim corner and select this side to create closed loop. Now the closed loop is ready. Click on done. You are getting your dormer. Now you can see that cut. I'll show you in 3D. See. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
If you forget any step, you can't able to cut your dormer. Tell me if you have any doubt or try it first to create dormer and dormer cut. If you understand that, try to create and show me then. So that is a little bit typical one. Here you need to understand it. If you try to learn, try to remember it, it is not going to work. You have to understand what we need. Otherwise, you need to see video all the time if you are not going to understand it. Try to create it first. Have you done? Anyone?
No, not yet.
Sorry, not yet.
Not
Okay.
yet. Can we show on Monday?
Yeah, sure. Okay then, friend. If you didn't have any doubt, if you don't try it now, good night and meet you on Monday. There is no class on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. You can
Yes.
practice till now. Like
Yes,
structural.
in case of any doubt, if today I have stuck in a model of this, so can we call you or it's not
Yes, yes, you can call.
okay?
But if I'm not available on system, na, so I guide you on the call.
Okay.
Okay. But please try to practice, na. Some of you didn't practice. See, the Revit is practice-based software. It is not like AutoCAD. If you do one time, you can perfect. You will be perfect. But here you can't, huh? Because every time you have different shapes. You need to practice here. See, we did this structure portion complete, foundation complete, and this opening complete. Okay, then datum complete. Then we are going for family first or reinforcement first. That's your choice. Okay. That we discuss on Monday, which is going to be
Till Monday we should be ready with this 3D model.
yeah, any kind of high-rise building you can create, different shapes, type of structure you can create. Okay, so that you will be able to create your own type of families or reinforcement on that. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay then. Good night.
Good night,
Right.
Shirish.
Thank you.
Bye all.
Bye.
Thank you.